Hello everyone. This is a brief presentation and demonstration to introduce you to CloudLink, Dell EMC's data encryption and key management solution. CloudLink provides agent-based encryption for Kubernetes containers, machines, both virtual and bare metal, and the PowerFlex software-defined storage platform, along with external key management functionality over KMIP, the OASIS Key Management Interoperability Protocol. Today we will cover the Kubernetes container encryption functionality, which leverages the container storage interface plugins to provide encryption at the container level. CloudLink has validated this functionality with PowerScale, PowerFlex, Tanzu, and standard Kubernetes CSI implementations, with more to come. CloudLink's seamless security, from edge to core to cloud, is unmatched in its flexibility, superior reliability, and highly efficient operations. Using powerful policy-based key management, CloudLink supports multiple data encryption options across a broad spectrum of operating platforms. Comprehensive environment support that includes bare metal, virtualized, and containerized workloads across public and private clouds simplifies and streamlines security workflows. CloudLink ensures superior reliability with highly available key management and backup capabilities. CloudLink is the essential tool for securing your critical data, wherever it lives, simply, flexibly, and reliably. CloudLink's encryption for containers provides fast and secure enterprise-grade data encryption. The front end offers the developer a seamless experience through the use of kube-control for PVC provisioning and deletion, while talking the CSI language to the Dell EMC storage CSI drivers on the back end. Since CloudLink is deployed directly on the data path, we can ensure data in flight encryption. In other words, immediately after the application I/O buffers are flushed, thus minimizing the risk of data compromise. While CloudLink's GUI offers an intuitive administrative experience, providing comprehensive views of the encrypted environment along with a wide feature set to meet the needs of the most complex data center environments. Now, let's see how this works. First, here is a high-level look at the demo system, which, like any Kubernetes deployment, consists of 3 layers. At the first layer, we have CloudLink, the container registry, which holds the container images, and the Kubernetes command line to control the Kubernetes cluster. Layer 2 consists of a 3-nodes Kubernetes cluster, 2 worker nodes, 1 manager node, and container storage interface plugins, which connect to Layer 3. The CSI plugins support many different types of storage. CloudLink has validated our volume encryption plugin with those for the generic NFS server, PowerScale, and PowerFlex. We will show CloudLink's encryption capabilities with both PowerScale and PowerFlex as the Layer 3 storage backends. In the interest of time, we've already run the necessary commands on our demo system, so we will show you what was done and the corresponding outcome within CloudLink Center. The commands are run on the Kubernetes Manager node. The first one is the CloudLink Helm chart installation. This command installs both the storage and the CloudLink CSI plugins and includes configuration for which types of volume to encrypt. The second command is to install the PVC to create the volumes, and the third is to install an application, which in this case is the Ubuntu container. Now, over in CloudLink Center, you can see the cluster and then view the volumes that are on the cluster, including their encryption status. We configured file system volumes to be encrypted on PowerScale and both block and file system volumes encrypted on PowerFlex. At this point, I'd like to say thank you for the opportunity to demonstrate CloudLink to you today. If you would like to know more, please reach out to your Dell Technologies sales representative or visit our homepage at dellemc.com/CloudLink. Thank you and have a good day.